Hi, hello to everyone. My name is Sunita. I am lecturer in English from Government Degree College, Jagatya. So in the previous class, I already explained the grammar topic, tenses. So what is tense? I already explained. Tense means time. So it is broadly divided in three types: simple present tense, past tense, and the future tense. And these three broad divisions of the time can be again divided in each and every tense can be again divided in four types: simple, continuation, perfect, and the perfect continuation tense. So in the previous class we discussed a detailed description, the easy way of learning what is the present tense. So already I explained in the previous class the simple present tense, present continuation tense, present perfect tense, and the present perfect continuation tense. In the today class we are going to discuss uh, the past tense, the tenses in the past tense. Okay, past tense. So what is the meaning of past tense? So past tense means the happened action, that means completed action. So in it is used to express an action which is completed, already completed in the past. So these past tense can be divided in four types: simple past, past continuation, past perfect, and the past perfect continuation tense. So what is the structure of an each and every past tense? So I'm going to give the detail and the easy way of learning the tense, that is in the today the past tense. What is the structure of each and every tense? How can we easy way of understanding and remembering, and how can we do the examples in the examination point of view? The degree student is the most and the useful. Not only the degree, in every 10th, inter, node, the competitive exams also is a very usage and useful and the easy way to understanding to and doing the examples in the examination. So the present tense, I'm going to write the definition of the present tense. Okay, if you see any time you can understand easily. If you see and observe the chart, you can easily understand the tense and the way of learning, the structure of the every and each tense in the table and the in the chart and the table, and also what is the usage, what are the keywords, how can we identify the examples, what is the correct verb style used in the each and every example. Okay, now we can see the definition. The past tense, it is used to express an action which is already completed in the past. So it is used to express an action which is already completed in the past. The completed, the happened action should be explained in the past tense. In this past tense can be divided into four types. Okay, I can directly give the table. You can see here the past tense table. Here I am writing the tense. Simple, continuation, perfect, continuation. So this is the four kind of the past tense. Yeah, so today we are learning the past tense. Okay, first is the past tense. So tense, past tense. So simple past tense, past continuation tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuation tense. In this past tense, we can learn what is the structure in every tense. What is the structure in each and every tense? See here, the structure of simple tense is here used subject plus V2 plus object. This is the structure of used in the past tense. Okay. So what is the structure in the continuation? Subject plus was or were plus before. That means in the form you already know, and object. This is the structure of continuation, past continuation. What is the structure of past perfect? Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Verb third form. It is verb third form is used in the past perfect tense. Okay, past perfect tense. The past perfect continuation. What is the structure? See here. Subject plus had plus been plus V4 plus object. This is the structure of past perfect continuation tense. And now we can see the examples. So according to the subject, the verb. According to the subject, we can use the suitable verb here. So we can see some of the example how it is used in the simple continuation, perfect and perfect continuation. So in the simple present tense, we can see take the subjects here I, we, you, she, he, it, run. So we are taking these kind of the examples here and they plural form of the subject. According to the subject, so a simple continuation, perfect and perfect continuation. Each and every tense we can learn in detailed with examples. So we can take the verb from here. We can take write V1, V2, V3, V4. V1 write, wrote, written. Right. These are the four form of the verb. According to the tense, we can take the suitable verb form here. So V1 change into how the V1 change into V2, V3 and V4. In the V1 form, it is the write will be changed in V2 wrote, V3 written, V4 writing. These are the four changing of the verbs. And we have the number of the verbs are there. According to the verb, according to the situation, according to the tense, the verb can change. Okay, the verb can change. See at the first simple present tense, we can take the V2 form of the verb here. Wrote. I wrote a letter. Okay. We wrote. See here, what is the subject here in the present tense? If in the subject is third person singular, so already we can add s or es to the verb. In this past tense, there is no need to add anything. So whatever the subject, whether it is a singular, whether it is a plural, you can write only the V2 form of the verb here. So we wrote a letter. You wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. It wrote a, whether it is a singular of the subject or plural of the subject, whatever is the subject. So verb only we can use V2 form of the verb. See here the I wrote a letter, we wrote a letter, you wrote a letter, she wrote a letter, he wrote a letter, it wrote a letter, Rani wrote a letter, they wrote a letter. Whatever the subject is here, we use only V2 form of the verb here. So we can see the next example, the continuation, the past continuation. The structure of the past continuation here was or verb plus V4 plus subject plus was or verb plus V4 plus object. So according to the subject, if we use the singular form of the subject, we can take the was. If we use the subject plural, we can take were. So verb form is used here. Were. Were. Okay. So see the examples. How can we change the verb? I singular, was before, writing a letter. I subject, was before and object. We were writing a letter. Okay, this is the plural. You can take the plural form of the helping verb. You were writing a letter. She was writing a later. He was writing a later. Okay, so he is the singular subject, he is the singular, she singular, he singular. We can take the singular form of the helping verb. It was writing a letter. Raju was writing a letter. Okay, and they, plural, were writing a letter. Okay, this is the past continuation tense. So I was writing a letter. Like this you can write the examples of related the different subjects and the verb structure of the past present continuation tense. Okay, past continuation tense. Next you can see the past perfect. The structure of past perfect, see here, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Okay, subject to had V3 object. So we can take the V3 form of verb here. I, whether it is the singular or plural, the subjects are singular or plural, we can take the only, that is the had only in the past perfect. Okay, I had V3 written a letter. Okay, we had written a letter. She had written a letter. Okay, he had written a letter. Okay, it had written a letter. Rani had written a letter. The Rani is the singular. They had written a letter. This is the past perfect with examples. The structure using the different kind of the subjects. I had written a letter. We had, she had, he had, it had, Rani had, they had. Whether it is the singular or plural, the subjects, or only the verb only one, that had plus V3 plus object. Okay. Now we can see the last tense that is related to the past tense, past perfect tense. In the past tense, the last tense is the past perfect tense. So what is the structure? Subject plus had plus been plus V4 form plus object. So see, I had been before writing a letter. Okay, we had been writing a letter. They, plural, had been writing a letter. She had been writing a letter. He had been writing a letter. He, she, it had been writing a letter. They had been writing a letter. So these are the examples of related past perfect continuation tense. Okay. So these are the four examples of the related past perfect, simple past tense, past perfect, past continuation tense, the past perfect tense and the past perfect. So one thing should be note down that whatever the tense you are learning, you are identifying, should keep one thing in your mind: what is the tense and what is the structure. and each and every tense should be careful while you are writing the structure of the verb tense. So this is the past tense, and each and every past tense have different kind of the structures. Verb style: simple past, simple past tense, subject plus V2 plus object, past continuation, subject plus was or verb plus V4 plus object, and the past perfect, subject plus had plus V3 plus object, and the past perfect continuation tense, subject plus had plus been plus V4 plus object. This is the easy way of learning the past tense, and every kind of the sentence there is a simple method to learn and to identify and to do the learn examples. Okay, so this is the table of detailed description about the past tense. Now we can see the how the examples will given in the examination. What is the kind of the structures, the examples in the examination, or how can you do the correct answers. Okay, before doing that, seeing that examples, we can know how can we identify what are the adverbials are used in the past tense. Adverbials, that means identification, the keywords of understand, remembering the point out the past tense. Okay, adverbials used in the past tense. See here the adverbials. Adverbials. Adverbials are used in the here: before, yesterday, day before yesterday, ago, in the past, in 1947, in 2018, 2019. Before 2020 we can note on anything in the past tense. Okay, last month, last year, last day, last night. So these are the adverbials used in the uh, past tense. The past tense adverbials are, the keywords are: before yesterday, day before yesterday, ago, in the past, in 1947, 2018, last month, last year, last day, last summer, last year. These are all related to the past tense. These are the adverbials for identification of the words. And next we can see the examples of the related past tense. How can we do that? I mean, point out the examples in the examination. Examples. So, yesterday we dash go to temple. Okay. Second, last summer we visit the Taj Mahal. Last month we dash participate in games. Huh? I dash exam right. Okay, and within the bracket write exam well. We dash get independence in 1947. So these are the related the past tense, simple past tense examples. Just I am giving the detailed description each and every tense. I am giving the only related example to the only related to the simple past only. Next I will give the detailed description about the past continuation. Now you can see the only simple past tense examples. So I spend my time in Kashmir last summer. So these are the enough first six examples. So see here the past simple past tense examples. So what is the first one answer here? So yesterday we dash go to Delhi. Yesterday is belongs to the simple past tense. So you can use the V2 form. What is the V2 form of the go? Go, went, gone, going. So the second form is the go, went. Okay. V2 should be used in the past tense, simple past tense. Last summer we dash visit the Taj Mahal. So last is used in the simple past tense only. So what is the V2 form of the visit? Visit, we can see the verbs here. So V2 form is used here. V1 is the visit, V2 visited. Visited. So the last month we dash participate in games. So participate V1, participated, participated and participating. Okay. V2 is the participated. Participated, V2 form of the verb used here. And I dash write example. Right, what is the second form of the verb? Wrote. Wrote. I wrote exam well. And next one, we dash get independence 1947. What is the V2 form of the get? Got. We got. Whether it is the singular or plural, whatever it is the subject, we should use the V2 form of the verb here. Okay. And next thing. Next example, I dash spend my time in Kashmir last summer. Spend V1, spend, spent V2, spend. So these are the related to the simple past tense examples.